Here, Rolling Thunder. Stuff. People come on down. Little video of everything laid out. A lot of stuff. Alright. Stuff over here. They got movies. Stuff I'm getting rid of. Then we got the crystals. Thank you, Julie. Holy shit. Holy shit.
I saw it.
Go right back there.
Got it. Pick it up over there. You got it?
I'm like, it's up.
You don't have weights? You gotta put weights on them suckers. Whoa. Well, we just had an incident where that tent just flew towards me, the whole freaking tent. And they have weights, and I have weights, but this is gravel here, gravel, and you can't put stakes down. I'm gonna see if I can dig a hole and put a stake down, because this shit is crazy. That big ass tent came towards me. Woo, scary. All right.